Okay, now we have done addition and subtraction of bases. We want to look at multiplication of bases. Remember, we're still following the JAMB syllabus, the JAMB scheme of work. Yes, multiplication of bases. And we have 3 questions on the board. We're asked to multiply 212 base 3 by 201 base 3, 11112 base 2 multiplied by 1001 base 2, and 213 base 6 multiplied by 24 base 6. So let's start with the first question. So let's go. We say 212 base 3 multiplied by 201 base 3. Now we're going to use the normal multiplication method of multiplying. We all know that if you're multiplying 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers, you start with the last number below. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So 1 has gone through all the numbers here. Now 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Now the last one, 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now, because we're dealing with base 3, we are not allowed to write 4. So what we are allowed to write is, we're going to remove 3 from 4. What are we going to have? We're going to have 1. So we're going to have 1. Since we remove 3, the 3 will come to the other side and become 1. So take note of that. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. But 2 plus that 1 that we carried over, remember, is now 3. And now, but we are still dealing with base 3, right? We're still dealing with base 3, and 3 is not a valid number for base 3. So we're going to say 3 minus 3, we're going to have 0. We're going to subtract 3 from 3, we're going to have 0. That 3 we subtracted will now become 1 waiting here. So we're going to say 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, it's not possible to write 5 here because we're dealing with base 3 numbers. So we're going to say 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 is possible here. And we remove 1 3 from 5. That 1 will now come to this side and become 1. So that we're now going to have something like this. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. But we cannot write 4 here. Why? Because we're dealing with base 3. So what we're going to do now is to say 4 minus 3 is 1. So it's 1 we're going to write here. But that 3 we've minused, when it moves to this side, becomes a 1. So expect a 1 here. Now let's continue our multiplication. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. We cannot write 3 here because in base 3, the number must be less than 3. So we're going to say 3 minus 3, we have 0. So what we can write here is 0. But that 3 that we removed is going to cause an addition of 1 here. Let's continue multiplying. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. We can't write 5 here because we are dealing with base 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So what we can write here is 2. Now that 3 that was subtracted will come and cause an addition of 1 here, which the 1 will now come down here. So it's now time to what? Add up. So 2 can come down here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. We cannot write 3 because we're dealing with base 3, the same thing. So subtract 3 from 3, you have 0. So what can be written here is 0. And that 3 that was, so don't confuse it. Let's remove these ones first. That 3 that was removed is transferred here as 1. Remember? So 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 will come down here and 1 will come down here. And our final answer is 121012 base 3. That's the multiplication of 212 base 3 by 201 base 3. Now, the next question we have on the board is 1111 base 2 multiplied by 1001 base 2. In this case, the same thing is going to apply. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1, 1. So this 1 has gone through everybody. Now, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 0, 0, 0. So this 0 has gone through these 4 ones. This same 0 will do the same thing. 0, 0, 0, 0. Because 0 multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1 is 0 all through. Now 1 will go through these 4 ones, and what are we going to have? 1 times 1 is 1. 1, 1, 1. Now time to add up. Adding this up together, we have no problem here. Since we're dealing with base 2, 1 is possible. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. Now, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2 here because base 2 must be less than 2. So, we're going to say 2, subtract 2 from that 2, we're going to have 0. So, what we can have here is 0, but that 2 subtracted will be added as 1 here. And 1 plus 1 again is 2. Subtract 2 from 2, you're going to have 0 again, and added as 1 here. Have 0 again, because 1 plus 1 is 2, added as 1 here. 0 again, added as 1 here, and the 1 will come down now. And this will be the final answer in base 2. So 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2 multiplied by 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2. Now, we have one more question. 213 base 6 multiplied by 24 base 6. 213 base 6 multiplied by 24 base 6. We're going to apply the same approach. We're going to say 4 times 3 is 12, but we cannot write 12 here because 12 is greater than 6. What do we do? Say 12 minus 6 is what? 6. We can't still write 6 here because they are in the same base. You have to subtract another 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So how many times do we subtract 6 twice? Take note of that. So we have 0 as our final answer here. But we subtracted 6, here. We subtracted 6 twice. So it means that there's a 2 waiting for us here already. Let's keep going. So how did we get 12? We say 4 times 3 is 12, right? 4 times 3 is 12, but 12 cannot be here. So we subtracted 6 from 12, we got 6. 6 cannot be here. Move another 6, we got 0. So 0 can be here. Because the numbers that can be here must be less than 6. Not even 6 can be here. So we remove 6 from 12 how many times? Twice. That's why we have a 2 here. So let's keep multiplying. 4 times 1 is 4. But there's a 2 here. Plus 2 is 6. Now, we cannot put 6 here. So subtract 6 from 6, you have 0. Remove 6 once. So that 1 should come to this side. Take note. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 cannot go. So 9 minus 6 is what? 3. 3 can be written here. But how many times did we remove 6 from 9? 1. So that 1 will come here and we're going to have 1. Now to continue, it's now time for 2 now. So let's clean this so you don't get confused, because I have a feeling we'll still need to write some things here again now. 2 times 3 is 5. Yes, 5 can be here, because 5 is less than 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Yes, 2 can be here. 2 times 2 is 4. Yes, 4 can be here. It's now time to add up. It's time to add up. So we have 0 here, we have 5 here, we have 5 here, and we have 5 here. All these numbers are possible because they are less than 6. And this is the multiplication of 213 base 6 by 24 base 6. We're now done with multiplication of bases. The last one will now be division. And once we finish division, we have finished the number part, numbers numeration part of your JAMB syllabus. So watch out for division of bases. All right.